Welcome to Switch of Medicos. In this video, we are going to talk about the intrinsic muscle of the hand. I will not show any diagram. In this video, we will only talk about the theory. So let's start. Intrinsic muscle of the hand. First of all muscles are grouped in various groups. So the first group is thenar muscles. Second group is intrinsic thumb adduction component. There is only one muscle. Then the third group is hypothenar muscle, and the other one group is interossei muscles, and other one is lumbrical muscles. And in interossei muscles there are two subdivided groups, dorsal interossei muscle and palmar interossei muscle. So let's talk about first the thenar muscle. In thenar muscles, the first muscle is adductor pollicies brevis. So function of adductor pollicies brevis, as the name suggests, abduction of the first digit means the thumb. Origin: flexor retinaculum and tubercle of the scaphoid. Insertion: lateral aspect of proximal phalanx of the thumb. And nerve supply is from recurrent motor branch of the medial nerve. The second nerve is flexor pollicis brevis. Function: flexion of the thumb. Origin: flexor retinaculum and the tubercle of the trapezium. Insertion: lateral aspect of the proximal phalanx of the thumb. And nerve supply: recurrent motor branch of the medial nerve. So the same nerve supply as the adductor pollicis brevis. And the opponents pollicis, the last muscle of this group. Function: opponents of the thumb. Origin: flexor retinaculum and the tubercle of the trapezium. Insertion: lateral aspect of the thumb. And nerve supply, as usual, recurrent motor branch of the medial nerve. So all the three muscles are supplied by recurrent motor branch of medial nerve. Now let's talk about the adductor pollicis muscle, which is in the group of intrinsic thumb and adductor component. So adductor pollicis. Function: as the name suggests, adduction of the thumb. Origin: second and third metacarpal and the capitate. Insertion: proximal phalanx and extensor expansion of the thumb. And nerve supply: deep branch of the ulnar nerve. Now let's talk about the hypothenar muscle. So in this group, the first muscle is adductor digiti minimi. Function: abduction of the fifth digit. Origin: the pisiform. Insertion: medial aspect of the proximal phalanx of the fifth digit. Nerve supply: deep branch of the ulnar nerve. Second muscle, flexor digiti minimi brevis. Function: flexion of the pinky. Origin: flexor retinaculum and the hamate. Insertion: medial aspect of the proximal phalanx of the pinky. Nerve: deep branch of the ulnar nerve. And the last muscle of this group is opponents digiti minimi. So function: opponents of the pinky. Origin: flexor retinaculum of the hamate. Insertion: medial aspect of the fifth metacarpal. Nerve: deep branch of the ulnar nerve. Now let's talk about the interossei muscle. It is subdivided dorsal interossei and palmar interossei. Generally there are 4 dorsal interossei and 4 palmar interossei, but sometimes 3 palmar interossei are present. So dorsal interossei. Function: abduction of the second, third and fourth number digit. Origin: metacarpal. Insertion: extensor hood and proximal phalanx of the second and third and fourth digit. Nerve: deep branch of the ulnar nerve. Palmar interossei. Function: adduction of the second, third and fourth digit. Origin: palmar aspect of the second, fourth and fifth metacarpal. Insertion: extensor hood of proximal phalanx of the second, fourth and fifth digit. Nerve: deep branch of the ulnar nerve. And the last group is lumbricals. There are 4 muscles also. Function: flexion of the MCP joint, means metacarpophalangeal joint with the extension of the PIP and DIP joint. Means PIP proximal interphalangeal joint and DIP dorsal interphalangeal joint. Origin tendon of flexor digitorum profundus. Insertion extension root of the second, third, fourth and fifth digit. Nerve supply medial nerve for the first, second lumbrical, whereas the third and fourth lumbricals receive innervation by the deep branch of the ulnar nerve. Thank you. Please share and subscribe for more medical knowledge.